In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from OneDrive in a quick and efficient manner. Whether you need to free up space or simply want to declutter, I'm going to walk you through the entire process. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Microsoft account. This is your gateway to OneDrive and all your online files, so make sure to enter your credentials accurately. Once logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Next, look towards the upper left corner and you'll spot the app launcher, commonly represented by a grid or a set of dots. Click on it. This step will reveal a suite of Microsoft applications, among which you'll find OneDrive. Go ahead and click on the OneDrive icon to proceed to the main OneDrive page. As the OneDrive interface loads, it will show you a range of options, with My Files being one of the primary tabs. Go ahead and click on My Files. This section contains all the files and folders that you've stored on OneDrive. Whether you're dealing with documents, images, or any other file type, you'll find them all here. Now let's say you want to delete a single file. To do so, navigate through your files to locate the one you want to remove. Once you find it, hover over the file name and you'll see a checkbox appear on its left. Click on this checkbox to select the file. After selecting the file, a set of options will appear at the top, or you might see three dots indicate more options right beside the file. Click on these three dots to expand the menu and look for the delete option. Click on delete, and when prompted, confirm that you want to permanently remove this file. Now, if you're looking to delete multiple files at once to save time, the process is slightly different but just as simple. Start by selecting each file you intend to delete. Again, click on each checkbox beside the files to select them. With your files chosen, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the page. Here you will find a delete button. Clicking this will trigger a confirmation prompt. Confirm your action and those files will be deleted from your OneDrive storage. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your OneDrive space by removing any files you no longer need. It's always good to have a regular check and clean up to optimize your storage and maintain order. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for managing your OneDrive files with confidence and